Hello everyone, I'm Marlo Fotalan from Section 4CB01. This is my mini vlog about forensic ballistic. Let's go inside so we can see the inside of the ballistic laboratory room. So what is ballistic laboratory room? A ballistic laboratory room is a safe place where people test guns, bullets, and protective gear like body armor or bulletproof glass. Question number 1. Why are you most excited to try this laboratory? Answer. I'm most excited to try this laboratory because it's offer a hands-on opportunity to apply the concern we've been learning in the class. I enjoy learning by doing the being in the lab allows me to directly observe scientific principles in action, which makes the material more engaging and easier to understand. Question number 2. What skills do you expect to gain from this laboratory? From this laboratory, I expect to gain a range of practical and tactical skills. This include providing my ability to follow detailed procedures, accurately collect and analyze data, and draw meaningful conclusions from experiment. Question number 3. How will these skills help you in your criminology journey and future career? Answering question number 3. These skills will be extremely valuable in my criminology journey and future career. That's all. Thank you.